Sahiti. I am from Kodat, Telangana. I completed my BTech in NIT Warangal with specialization in metallurgical and materials engineering. My professional aspiration is to enhance my metallurgical and material science skills and to contribute to the growth of JCB. One of my favorite hobby is painting. Let's see what I am going to draw today.
Hello everyone, this is Nishi Kumari. I have done my BTech graduation degree from NIT Trichy in specialization of production engineering. I am from Patna. My major professional aspiration to become an expert on my manufacturing field and become achieving the executive position. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Gupta. I am from Jalon, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my BTech from NIT Agartala having a specialization in production engineering. I would like to learn and enhance my skill in different domains while working at JCB India and contribute to the growth of company. In spare time, I love to listening music. It gives me an immense pleasure and relax my mind. And I also enjoy doing some work at designing software.
Hello, I am Purba Ghosh. I am from Agartala, Tripura. I completed my BTech from NIT Agartala, specializing in mechanical engineering. My career aspiration is to learn and become an expert at my role at JCB and contribute to the growth of the organization. Thank you. Hi, I really enjoy reading Bengali novels and stories, and especially thriller novels and detective stories.
Hi, I'm Konkiana Manisha. I am from Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh. I have studied BTech in Electrical Engineering from NIT Durgapur. I aspire to learn new and challenging things in my work and grow to bigger positions in JCB with the help of my knowledge and experience in my career. Thank you. Yoga enhances mental and physical fitness. So, I practice yoga which helps me to do my work peacefully. Also, I have a passion for cooking.
Hi everyone, my name is Shivam Pachori. I belong to Palwal, Haryana. I've done my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra. I aspire to be an entrepreneur concerning about electric vehicles as it will give me technical as well as business exposure. Thank you.
Apart from badminton and table tennis, I have a keen interest in motorsports as well. I love to acquire knowledge about these Formula F1 cars. In my college days also, I love to build and drive my own Formula prototype. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanisha Goyal. I belong to Delhi. I have done Bachelor's in Electrical Engineering from NIT Kurukshetra. As an electrical engineer, I aspire to bring a positive change in society and to promote innovation in design and research, helping in further growth and betterment of JCB. In this lockdown, I have become really fond of cooking.
Hi everyone, this is Rasegna Rendla. I come from Manchiryal, Telangana. I have pursued my BTech from National Institute of Technology, Warangal in the field of metallurgical and materials engineering. So coming to JCB, I wanted to boost up my learning and professional skills, and I wish to be an inspiration to women who wanted to have their career at JCB. Thank you. My hobbies are making best out of waste, like
Hello everyone, I am Aniket Padore. I have done my BTech from NIT Durgapur with specialization in mechanical engineering. I belong to town Pandropada in Yavatmal district, Maharashtra. I am aspired to specialize in manufacturing and designing and develop more experience in that field. So my hobbies are playing badminton and indoor sports with cricket as well.
Hello everyone, I'm Megha Suresh Mante. My native place is in Akola, Maharashtra. I did my BTech from College of Engineering Pune in mechanical stream. At this moment, my professional aspiration in life is to ace at everything which comes in my way and still grow. Thank you. I love to draw doodles and caricatures cause there are no rules in it and I can draw anyone and anything according to my perspective.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Mishra. I belong to Renukut, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my BTech degree from NIT Jamshedpur with a specialization in mechanical engineering. I love to play chess and cricket. Along with my team, I secured first position in SAE design competition in design report submission. I aspire to work with the design team at JCB India and sharpen my engineering skills. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I like to play chess and I would like to earn some chess counts in future.
Hello, my name is Divya and I am from Faridabad. I have done my BTech from NIT Kurukshetra in electrical engineering. My aspiration is to gain knowledge and experience from my seniors at JCB in the field of engineering and product development and contribute towards the further growth and betterment of JCB. Hi, my hobby is playing badminton. Badminton helps me in building my concentration, relieves stress, and of course keeps me healthy and fit. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Asim Anis. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I did my BTech from MNIT Jaipur and my specialization is in mechanical engineering. My favorite hobbies are playing football, reading books and solving Sudoku puzzles. I aspire to be part of a team of engineers that innovate and develop solutions to problems in the field of mechanical engineering. Thank you. Hey everyone, in my free time I like to play football, watch football, anything to do with football really. And my favorite team is Arsenal. I barely ever miss any of their matches. I was also part of my college football team and I am really proud of my team. And the favorite thing about the team was all the bonds I share with all of my teammates, and I hope to share similar bonds with my colleagues at JCB.
Hello everyone, this is Rituja Pathare. I have done my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from College of Engineering Pune. I belong to Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. As a graduate engineer trainee, I aspire to explore as many technical things that I can at JCB. So that was the small part of Sargam. I like to sing classical, light music and some western also.
Hello everyone, I am Yomika. I am from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I am a BTech graduate from NIT Trichy with a major in production engineering and minor in management studies. I have a special interest in supply chain management. I aspire to have expertise in the same field and contribute my best to the company and to the world outside. Looking forward to working with you all. I am a throwball player and a trained classical dancer. I like to spend most of my time on the ground.
Hello everyone, I am Shivani Vagmare. I come from Nasik, the wine capital of India. I pursued BTech in Mechanical Engineering from College of Engineering Pune. One day, I aspire to innovate and make new, improved and efficient machines that will lead this company to success for years to come.
Hobby is playing soccer. I have been playing soccer since I was 12. Manchester United is my favorite team. I have represented the under-14 Maharashtra state soccer team. As a former soccer player for COEP, our team has brought many glories and trophies to the college.
Hello everyone, my name is Shugurdeep Singh and I pursued my Bachelor's of Technology from NIT Jalandhar in Mechanical Engineering. And for the future, I hope to learn from my seniors and peers and hope to become a valuable employee to the company. Thank you. For my hobbies, I love to play football. During my school level, I played till state and I played also in first year of my college. And after that, I was in my Bhangra team of college and won many competitions in the team. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nirali Tushar Ghorpade. I belong to Pune, Maharashtra. I have done my BTech from Cummins College of Engineering for Women, Pune, with a specialization in mechanical engineering. My aspiration is to learn new things each and every day of my life. I like doing computer programming because it is fun and it involves a lot of logical thinking. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Swati Kumari. I am from Gumla, Jharkhand. I have pursued Metallurgicals and Materials Engineering from NIT Jamshedpur. My aspiration of life is to give new contribution to my field of study. Thank you.
I love reading novel during my free time.
Looking forward to work with you all at JCB. Thank you so much.